I am at the Park City Eco Preserve that they have up here. My wife and I are on a anniversary trip, and this place is absolutely stunning. There are birds everywhere. We've seen rabbits and we've seen foxes, and there's fish and birds and everything up here. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see them in the background. They're just kind of flying all over the place. Of course, you have that ugly highway behind you, but for the most part, it's really pretty up here. Nice and peaceful. The smell of the flowers. I would highly recommend this. It's absolutely free to get in. There's streams running through it as well. Now look at all the birds out there. That is just so awesome.